We've been able to finalize it that they are bringing the crate to come and clear it from the place. So we are giving them the security. We are making sure that the place is secure until they take it away from that place. That is what we are doing now. That is why we are there, so that nobody will tamper with anything which will help in our investigations. We don't want anybody to tamper with anything. So that's why we've condoned the place. No go zone. Nobody can enter. Don't enter that places. We are taking clues from where it started from up to where it happened.